Hey everyone, it's Dion with 901 Cravings and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be making some gourmet chocolate apples. Yes, that's right, some gourmet chocolate apples. And we are going to be doing 3 different kinds. We're going to do one coated in the strawberry crunch, one coated in some cookies and cream crumble that I made, and we're going to make a turtle one. And we're going to finish it off using, of course, the toppings of, the chocolate cones, the crunch, the turtles, and everything. And instead of just using like regular, some people, they'll just drizzle chocolate back over them to look decorative. I don't want to put hard chocolate on hard chocolate. So to help finish it off, I'm gonna do drizzles of a milk chocolate and white chocolate ganache that I made to help finish them off and make them look even better. Alright, and also the turtle apples are gonna get the milk chocolate, white chocolate, and a caramel drizzle on it as well. So let's get to making these apples, alright? Here go my current ingredients right now. We have 3 Granny Smith apples that I've boiled off, and I'll explain why I boiled them off. Milk chocolate, white chocolate, and as y'all already know, I said it before in previous videos, I use candy melts for certain things, but when it comes to chocolate, I primarily like to use Ghirardelli chocolate. And I don't know if I'm saying that right. Is it Ghirardelli? Like, if I'm saying it wrong, y'all let me know in the comments. But yes, I like to use Ghirardelli chocolate. And I have a fresh batch of strawberry crunch crumble, as you can see. If y'all can see that good. I hope it's focusing. And a fresh batch of cookies and cream crumble that I made. And so now you're probably gonna wonder, how did I make the cookies and cream crumble? Well, just like how I make my strawberry crunch crumble, and if you haven't seen that video, and if you're new to the channel, click the link up above and also in the description below to go watch my video on how to make the strawberry crunch crumble. You pretty much do it the same way, and I use it using, because Jello brand makes it too, a Jello white chocolate pudding and a cookies and cream pudding mix that they do. And so when you follow the steps of making the strawberry crumble the same way, that's how you come up with the cookies and cream crumble. So yeah, so 1 box of white chocolate pudding mix, whether Jello brand, off brand, or Hershey brand, and a box of the Jello cookies and cream crumble mix. And that box is blue. I think I got an extra box. Hold on, just a second. Okay, I'm sorry. It's Oreo brand cookies and cream pudding mix. So if you use 1 box of this plus 1 box of white chocolate pudding mix, that's how you get the cookies and cream crumble right here. Now the apples. I boiled apples because just like when you make candy apples, and if you haven't seen my video on how to make the candy apples too, link is in the description, and link is in the link is in the description, and the link is up above. I don't know how I mixed that up, but yes, I boiled apples to get the wax off, because when dipping apples, whether it's candy mixture or chocolate, you want the wax off, because if you dip the apples in chocolate with the wax still on there, you're gonna get a thin layer of chocolate onto your apple because of the wax still being on there. Yeah, so boil your apples for 10 to 20 seconds to get the wax off, and let them sit for 6 to 8 hours, or preferably overnight, so that the wax can fully come off. And the apples are gonna turn like this palish green, yellowish color. Don't boil them until they're soft, just boil them enough to get the wax off, and they're gonna turn this color, and then you wipe them dry to get all the remaining wax off. Alright, so let me go ahead and melt my chocolate, and we'll get to dipping these apples. So chocolate is all melted, and I get my chocolate nice, loose, and pliable using Paramount crystals. And so if you haven't also seen my video where I taught how to make chocolate dip berries, I taught how to melt chocolate and candy melts too. And when it comes to melting chocolate and candy melts, you melt it, but it still be thick. So when you try to dip stuff in it, it doesn't coat properly. You can use Paramount crystals. So with the chocolate melted, we take our apple, and what it is, you turn the bowl to one side to put majority of the chocolate on one side. And now you dip in and you coat the apple. And with white chocolate, you gotta kind of work fast, because white chocolate does get hard fast. And so take your excess and just shake it off, completely shake off all excess. Bam, once all that is shaken off, now you come over here to your crumble, and you just start coating it up in there. And it's good to shake off all the excess, because if you was to try to coat with a whole lot of excess white chocolate still on there, the white chocolate would have been falling off because the weight from the crumble would have been pulling on it. And I would say this is good now. Shake off any in our excess, and bam, you sit it down. Coated. What y'all think of this one? Huh? Sit this down. Okay, and so now we're gonna sit these in the fridge and let them completely harden all the way, and then we're gonna decorate the top of these, okay? So I'll see y'all in just a couple minutes. So the apples are all chilled now, and so now let's go ahead and dress these up a little bit. The turtle apple, you know, it's just gonna get drizzles of caramel, white chocolate, and milk chocolate on top of it. So I'll sit that one right here for right now. Let's go ahead and dress up the strawberry crunch and the cookies and cream. And I did these right here. So I took the little strawberry candy wafer, little cookie bars that you can buy. I cut them up, dipped them in some white chocolate, and then I dipped them in the strawberry crunch to have them coated like that, if you can see. And then I just took a Hershey's cookies and cream bar, cut it up, and yeah, let's do this. And so now the idea that I had was take some chocolate on a spoon, because as you can see, I got a little bit of space right there up at the top of the crunch apple. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. Yeah, I got some space up there. So take a spoon with some chocolate and just drop it onto the top ever so slightly like that, around where it's showing. I'm gonna do this first part like that. Put enough down to where it's going to hold this wafer in place, and then take some chocolate, put it onto the back of the wafer so that it can adhere to the stick. And now what we're gonna do is sit it down up in there to decorate the stick. Now, I would say that looks pretty good. How about to y'all? Okay, so we're gonna let this sit in a set for a second. And now let's decorate the cookies and cream. Yes. All right, so now let's do a close up without dropping anything. Y'all see that? That top is decorated. Now, let's look at the strawberry crunch one. It's now decorated on the top, and now let's put the drizzles on. All right, and it's time to drizzle them, and you already know what we're about to do. Like you say with the turtle, it's gonna get milk chocolate, white chocolate, and caramel sauce on it. So we're gonna take this milk chocolate ganache, and we're gonna go in this direction with it. Yes, y'all see that? Get a good coat going that way. And then we're gonna go the opposite direction with the white chocolate. Then come with the caramel. It's gonna go this way. Yes, that one is done. And now, cookies and cream. All it's gonna get is a drizzle going in this direction. Yes. You know, if it gets on the stick some, that's okay. Hey, it is what it is. And now, same thing with the crunch. White drizzle. Going in this direction. And that way, then we're gonna hit it this way. Yes. You know what, and let's do the same for the cookies and cream. Hit it omnidirectional. Ooh, these are looking so good, y'all. All right, these are done. Now, let's go ahead and set these up on the platter and I can properly present them to you. Especially this turtle one, because it's looking delicious. Hey everyone, and here they are, all done. So what do y'all think of these gourmet apples? Huh? Huh? Come on, focus. Just look at them. Don't they look delicious? So like I said, we got the strawberry crunch, just in all of its goodness. We got the turtle, just looking like a sweet tooth and visit to the dentist waiting to happen. Got the caramel, milk chocolate, white chocolate just dripping down it. Then we have the cookies and cream over here with the Hershey's on top. The coating just, I know y'all dentists would love y'all if y'all ate all these apples. Come on, focus. There we go. Focus back. I don't know why the focus keep dropping, but yes. 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 All these apples just looking good. But all right, y'all. That's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial on how to make these. I want to see y'all pictures. If y'all decide to make them too, send them to me, show them off. I'll post them. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Like, seriously, like and comment on this video. It really helps out the video. And shoot, comment down below what y'all want to see next. But all right, y'all, I'm about to head out for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.